1/3 of all men don't use their hands after using the bathroom. Just like this guy. I'm here to put an end to that. That's me right there. They call me Sneezeguard, the Germinator. What is it that makes a superhero? The pink crinkly hat, a little mermaid bib, perhaps the rubber gloves for smooth strangling, a cup for courage, or long johns just for fun? Well, I'm here to tell you my story. I was a tough little kid, not afraid of punk-faced bullies or even big scary monsters under my bed. And I loved anything that would be considered dangerous, or just plain stupid. But I did have one weakness: germs.
I'm sick. I'm just sick.
It was so bad that if someone coughed half a block away, I felt it instantly. So I developed a state-of-the-art superhuman suit to protect me from the germs, and dedicated my life to destroy them forever. I used to date a nose picker until my grandma found out. So I gave her a taste of her own medicine, and she loved
He's
it.
going around, he's curing all the infections. He's wiping out all the germs.
I can't
There's
believe
no
that.
infection
That's
anywhere.
impossible.
Have you seen what has happened to the
That
numbers?
is impossible.
Have you seen the numbers at all? I'm going broke.
Of course, not
I
everyone
know
was
what to do.
pleased with my work.
Okay, tell me what to
Have you
do.
heard about the sneeze guard guy?
Okay, all right.
Okay, I got it. That's right, hi Germany.
You're from Germany?
No, you dumb idiot. Do I sound like I'm from Germany?
Hearing there was a new super German town, I rushed to the scene for our epic battle.
Ah!
Gesundheit. Having vanquished my foe, Germany, I was once again beloved by all. And even became acquainted with Germany's homely half-sister, Fanny Pack.
That is one ugly chick.
Yeah, she sure is ugly, but boy can she sing.
Maybe it's true. I can't live without you. And maybe two is better than one. There's so much time to figure out the rest of my life. And you've already got me coming undone.
One motion.
Go.
Good one.